So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can upload a private video on your YouTube channel while using your mobile phone. So it's quite simple. For that reason, first of all, you need to open up your YouTube application for real quick and simply go with the plus sign on the bottom side and then simply the YouTube video that you want to upload. So I will select this one, go with the next, and once again with the next, and then simply go to the visibility option, simply tap on that and simply select the visibility as private. So then simply go with the upload option and simply tap on upload, and there you have it. So let me just wait for a while to find out as it is being uploaded as private or not. Alright, so as you can see guys, the video has been uploaded but it is being saved as private. So that's how you can simply upload YouTube video as private while using your mobile phone. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.